Do you really know who you're supporting when you're buying your house paint? Here at Crockers, we have always been invested in supporting Australian made and owned brands. Our Krysler Paints brand is over 50 years old and it's still owned by us, the Crocker family. Supporting Australian made and owned products is now more important than ever, and that's up to you guys. In 2013, we sold our Sefton paint factory, and since then, Krysler has been made by Haymes Paint. Haymes Paint is over 80 years old and is still owned and run by the Haymes family and manufactured in Ballarat, Victoria.
For 3 years running, Haymes have won the CanStar Awards with perfect scores for quality of finish, value for money, range, durability and overall customer satisfaction.
Haymes Paints offer a guarantee so you can trust their performance over time, and we have positive first-hand feedback from our painters and do-it-yourself customers. Haymes Paints have the official Australian-made and owned logo branded on their products, and the price is competitive with the known international brands. Buying Australian-made means that we have consistency in products and a reliable supply of these paints over time. So when you come back next time, the chances are you will get the exact same product that you have purchased before.
So if you would like to use great Australian paint, call in and see us at Crockers. We're at Unit 1, 206 Box Road, Miranda, or you could give us a call on 9525 7489 and we're here to help.